Welcome friends, I got a special dish for you today. I find in the market a ribeye steak for $4.99 a pound. $27. Look at this, 4 beautiful steak, around 1.5 pounds each. We're gonna cook it today, and I know. It's a gazillion recipes about that in the web, but I can guarantee you right now, this one, remember, is the combination, the fusion between the American barbecue and the Argentinian grilling experience that you will have in here. There's nowhere else. Don't go nowhere. Let's go with the ingredients right now. Cherry tomatoes, salt, chipotle chile, you can use cayenne, chile powder, butter, rosemary, Asiago cheese, you can use Parmesan, olive oil, blue cheese, garlic, bacon fat, dressing, in this case a ranch, you can use whatever you like, corn on the cob, iceberg lettuce, pepper, and the ribeye steak. Because this steak gonna be cooked very fast, what I'm gonna start to do first will be the side dishes. So I got tomatoes in here, and I'm gonna cut it in half. You can use this technique one by one, or you can use that, and sometimes we do it in a restaurant, we do it this way. We keep it that way, we put it in the side, and with our hand, we're just doing this. Of course, you gotta get some practice, you're not gonna cut yourself, please, don't do that. If you not cut it one by one, and I'm gonna season the tomatoes. So they get the flavor, start to penetrate in the tomatoes. I like to season with a little bit of salt, very simple, pepper. I'm gonna put a little bit of oregano and olive oil. I'm gonna mix it. Oh, sorry. Oh! And I'm gonna let them rest. For the green lettuce, we're going to remove the first layer, and we're gonna cut it in half, and we're gonna cut it again in a quart. And let me clean this a little bit and remove this dark area, and that's it. For now it's done. The corn, we're gonna put it into the fire. So I want to have some chars, but I don't want to be burnt all of it. I don't want that flavor. So I'm gonna remove some. I'm gonna peel this way, you see, some of the sections. So that's it. So I got it like this. Well, we got all the prep down and the fire is ready, so let's start to work in the grill. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very hot. This is ready. Let's put the steak, salt, pepper, on the grill. Let it cook for a minute, and after that we're gonna move them 45 degrees, so we produce the marks on the steak. Normally, you see, when you touch the steak like that and you cannot take it off from the grill because it's a stick, let them be. That means it's not ready yet. When the marks are really done, they will be easy to touch and they're not going to stick on the grill. Now, I'm going to move it like this. And I'm going to let them be for another minute. I'm going to add salt already in this size. Pepper. Personally, I don't like flames in the steak, so put it off. And I sacrifice my beard for a beautiful steak. Look at this. Coming good. All right. Let's look how that looks like. Look at this. Look at this. That's a steak. All right, now it's here, and they got the smoky flavor. I'm gonna move it away from the flames over the other side, so they don't continue cook for now. Okay, now let them heat it up for a minute. So we're gonna add a tablespoon of bacon fat that I have from the bacon that I did earlier, and we're going to, where's water in there? Whoa, 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 what happened here? That's wrong. And we're gonna add the garlic. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. And of course, the smell killed me, the rosemary. Look at this. Let it melt a little bit, and let's add this steak. And now I'm gonna bust the steak. And I'm gonna cook it until it's done and 125 for me. So that will be medium rare. How am I figure it out that? Well, there's many ways to do it. Professionals touch it and say, oh, it's done or no. I don't have that kind of practice, even though I'm a professional, so I use a thermometer. That's the best way to do it. In the middle time, I'm gonna add the lettuce, and I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. To there. And I'm gonna remove on the other side of the heat. Oh, okay, my lettuce are not yet done. I need another minute on this side. I'm gonna let it rest for a few minutes, and we got it, and let's see what happened in there. This one looks very, very good. I don't know what it feels or think about it, but I think it's great. You see, my lettuce are ready, so I'm gonna put it out. Not leaving more than out until you get the color and the smoky flavor. If you know they can mash it, you don't wanna mash it, lettuce. You wanna make sure they still crispy. Now put in this back, and we're gonna put the corn. And we're gonna wet this corn in this liquid the way it is. Look at this. And I'm gonna let it rest for a minute in there. Oh, let's put this dish together. I'm gonna bring the lettuce I have, grill, if you don't like it, don't use it, but I think blue cheese give it the nutty flavor that makes it so delicious. On the corn, I'm gonna spread it out with a little bit of the Asiago cheese that we did it, not much. Of course, I'm gonna use the chipotle powder that I have, not too much, you know, I'm not too crazy. And I forgot, on my lettuce, I'm going to use a little bit of bacon too. And now the moment, we're gonna cut it, I'm gonna see if I did it right or what. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, I did it right. Well, guys, this is a very nice and easy recipe to do. Try, you're gonna love it. Don't forget to subscribe in there. I think it's there, done, pop. Sí, porque me equivoqué. Okay, let's try. Maybe I need a little more of salt.